The topic that we're about to cover, Ja, Nein, and Doch. This topic here is connected to the one that you did previously, which is on the negation of sentences. So let's now dive in and check on Ja, Nein, and Doch. Now, firstly, let's acknowledge that they are all used to answer questions. Ja, Nein, and Doch, all of them are used in answering questions. Okay. Now, the first thing I'd like you to note down is this: that when someone asks you a question, it will either be a positive question or a negative question. Okay. When someone asks you a question, it's either a positive question or a negative question. If you don't get the status of the question, it's possible that you might answer wrongly. That's why you might find someone asks you, "Are you not going? Are you not going?" And then someone answers, "Yes." That is wrong. If you're going to negate all through, negate all through. Are you not going? No, I am not going. No, I am not going. Or yes, I am going. All right. Now, back to the question. I said that it will either be a positive question or a negative question. Now, remember that a sentence is negative if it has not in it. A sentence or a question is negative if it has not in it. In German, we know not is nicht. So if you see the sentence having nicht or kein, then this is a negative question. But if the question doesn't have nicht or kein, then it's definitely a positive question. Okay. So remember that negative question has nicht or kein within it, which both mean not. But a positive question does not have these nicht or kein. All right. So now that you know what we mean by a positive and a negative question, let's now begin with the first one, which is yeah. Yeah. So they're telling you, yeah means yes. Look at that. Yeah means yes and is used in only answering a positive question in the positive form. Please remember that. Yeah only answers positive questions in positive form. Look at the example given. Ist Peter krank? Ist Peter sick? Ist Peter krank? Ja, Peter ist krank. So you can see it answers the positive question in positive. And then number 2, hast du Geld? Hast du Geld? Do you have money or have you money? Yes, I have money. Ja, ich habe Geld. Hast du Geld? Ja, ich habe Geld. Yes, I have money. So that is how we get to use yeah. It answers positive questions in positive. And then here's number 2, nein. Now, nein means no. Nein means no. It is used to answer, so it has 2 uses. Number 1, it is used to answer a positive question in negative. Look at that. It is used to answer a positive question in negative. And then, next point, it is also used in answering a negative question in the negative. Okay? Used to answer a negative question in the negative. So it has 2 functions. It can answer a positive question. It can also answer a negative question. So look at the example. Ist Peter krank? Ist Peter krank? Is Peter sick? Nein, Peter ist nicht krank. Nein, Peter ist nicht krank. And then example number 2. Now in the second example, they've given you a negative question. Ist Peter nicht krank? Ist Peter nicht krank? Is Peter not sick? Nein, Peter ist nicht krank. All right. So you can see that the nein has 2 functions. It answers a positive in negative, and then it maintains a negative in negative. Okay, let's now see the last one. Doch. Doch. Now, doch means yes. It also means yes, but used differently from ja. Doch means yes, but used differently from ja. So it is used to answer a negative question in positive. Now the DOCH answers negative question in positive, like in the example. So it changes the negative into positive. Ist Peter nicht krank? Ist Peter nicht krank? Is Peter not sick? So yes, he is sick. Doch Peter ist krank. And you can see now when I answer with the doch, I remove the words of negativity, the nicht. Ist Peter nicht krank? Doch Peter ist krank. And then hast du kein Geld? Hast du kein Geld? Don't you have money? Doch ich habe Geld. Yes, I have money. Doch ich habe Geld. Okay? So those are the three particles, ja, nein, and doch. So let me just give you some quick NP at the end as we conclude. Remember, if it's a positive question, if someone asks you a positive question, you can either answer with yes or no, ja or nein. Okay? But if I ask you a negative question, you could either answer with nein or doch. Okay? So positive question, yeah or nein. Negative question, nein or doch. Okay? So, having said that, there is an exercise here that I'd like you to attempt. They're telling you, answer the following questions with ja, nein, or doch. So answer the following with ja, nein, or doch, giving two answers each. So what you'll be doing is, you will first of all be reading the question, establish if it's positive or negative. Like in number 1. Ist das Essen gut? Ist das Essen gut? Is the food nice or good? Now, after I've read the question like that, I have to check it if it's a positive or negative. So if you check this one here, it's a positive question, right? Is the food good? So you could say, yes, the food is good. Or no, the food is not good. So, ist das Essen gut? Ja, das Essen ist gut. Ja, das Essen ist gut. Or nein, das Essen ist nicht gut. Nein, das Essen ist nicht gut. No, the food is not good. Okay? And then I have number 2. Ist das Essen nicht gut? Is the food not good? Now, this one is a negative question. Ist das Essen nicht gut? Is the food not good? Like I said, no, the food is not good. Nein, das Essen ist nicht gut. Nein, das Essen ist nicht gut. Or doch, das Essen ist gut. Okay, so I'd like you to go ahead and attempt the following numbers. And number 3 up to 12, just pause here. Yes, just pause here and then firstly attempt. After you're done, come and play back the video so that we mark together. All right, let's now go ahead and mark it. Number 3. Ist der Weg weit? Ist der Weg weit? Is the way far? Ja, der Weg ist weit. Or nein, der Weg ist nicht weit. Number 4. Ist dein Vater nicht hier? Is your father not here? Nein, mein Vater ist nicht hier. Nein, mein Vater ist nicht hier. Or doch, mein Vater ist hier. Hat dein Vater ein Auto? Does your father have a car? Ja, mein Vater hat ein Auto. Ja, mein Vater hat ein Auto. Or nein, mein Vater hat kein Auto. Ein Auto, negative, kein Auto. Let's go ahead. Number 6. Essen die Kinder keine Bananen? Essen die Kinder keine Banane? Are the children not eating bananas? So, nein. Die Kinder essen keine Bananen. Die Kinder essen keine Bananen. Or doch. Die Kinder essen Bananen. Doch. Die Kinder essen Bananen. Next. Kommt Peter nicht am Montag? Kommt Peter nicht am Montag? Is Peter not coming on Monday? You could say, nein, Peter kommt nicht am Montag. Nein, Peter kommt nicht am Montag. Or doch, Peter kommt am Montag. Doch, Peter kommt am Montag. Okay, let's go ahead. Number 8. Kommst du mit? Are you coming along? Kommst du mit? Ja, ich komme mit. Ja, ich komme mit. Oder nein, ich komme nicht mit. Wohnen die Leute nicht in Nairobi? Wohnen die Leute nicht in Nairobi? Don't the people live in Nairobi? So I would say, nein, die Leute wohnen nicht in Nairobi. Nein, die Leute wohnen nicht in Nairobi. Oder doch, die Leute wohnen in Nairobi. Hast du eine Katze? Hast du eine Katze? Do you have a cat? Ja, ich habe eine Katze. Ja, ich habe eine Katze. Oder nein, ich habe keine Katze. Ich habe keine Katze. And then I have, trinkst du kein Wasser? Trinkst du kein Wasser? So, nein, ich trinke kein Wasser. No, I'm not drinking water. Nein, ich trinke kein Wasser. Oder doch, ich trinke Wasser. Doch, ich trinke Wasser. Okay, let's take this last number, number 12. Fährst du nach Mombasa? Fährst du nach Mombasa? Are you traveling to Mombasa? Fährst du nach Mombasa? I would say, ja, ich fahre nach Mombasa. Yes, I am traveling to Mombasa. Or nein, ich fahre nicht nach Mombasa. No, I am not traveling to Mombasa. Okay? So that is how we get to answer questions with ja, nein, and doch. So you go ahead and keep training or practicing more with this, because this brings you to the end of this topic. I will be seeing you in the next one.